Hey guys, I'm Austin. I'm an A&P IA here at AirMart, and today we're going to be talking about some maintenance fun facts. So today we're going to be looking at this Lycoming IO540 engine. Now, if you look in between your push rod tubes and you're ever wondering what the color means between there, that is to indicate what type of cylinder you have. This one has a blue stripe, which means that it is a nitride cylinder. If it's gray or unpainted, then that means it's a standard steel cylinder. If you have orange, then that means it's a chrome cylinder. If you have yellow or green, then that's oversized. Now, if you look below your spark plug, if you also have a yellow painted area below your spark plug, then that's to indicate that your cylinder needs long reach spark plugs. Well, that's it for today, guys. For more maintenance fun facts, follow and subscribe on our social media, and for aircraft inventory, visit airmart.com.